Prepare the crack by opening, cleaning, and drying it so the repair material can bond properly. Begin by widening the crack to about 1/4 inch using a diamond saw blade to create uniform edges and remove weakened concrete. Remove all dust and debris with a nylon bristle cup brush while running a vacuum or using a blower to extract particles from the bottom of the cut. If the crack is deeper than 1/2 inch, push in a closed cell foam backer rod to the appropriate depth so the sealant only bonds to 2 surfaces and the joint geometry is correct. For hairline cracks that will not accept a backer rod, route the surface slightly to form a consistent profile before cleaning. After cleaning and backer rod insertion, wipe the surfaces with a solvent recommended by the manufacturer or with clean water and allow the concrete to fully dry. Moisture inhibits many polymer and epoxy sealants. Finally, choose a repair material compatible with the substrate and expected movement. Read the technical data sheet for ambient temperature and pot life limits, and apply the sealant or repair mortar following manufacturer directions while tooling the joint to ensure intimate contact. Common mistakes include leaving loose material and dust in the crack, which prevents adhesion, not addressing underlying movement or drainage that caused the crack, and installing sealant over damp surfaces so the product does not cure properly. Clean out the crack completely with a nylon bristle cup and vacuum or blower until no dust remains so the repair bonds to solid concrete. Investigate and correct causes of movement or water intrusion, such as poor slope, expanded soil, or failing joints before final sealing so the repair is not immediately stressed. Make sure the concrete is dry to the extent required by the chosen material and follow pot life and cure time guidance so the sealant achieves its rated properties. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and browse project ideas that relate to concrete repair so we can match needs with available skills. We also help contractors find work and connect with homeowners through our discussion community where we exchange tips and project experiences.